Katrin here with European Paper Crafts in the US. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back, and a very happy new year to you. I hope you had a wonderful holiday season. I did, and today we're gonna start the new year with a beautiful paper and die cut pack from Studio Light. So let's get started. So I have two 6x6 packs here by Studio Light in Holland. One is a paper pack and it's called the Celebrate New Beginnings. How fitting is this for a New Year's video? And we have 36 sheets in there, 6x6, 9 patterns. So you have each sheet in there 4 times. I'm going to look through those in a minute. And then there is also a matching die cut pack with over 300 paper elements that you just have to push out, and it will carry you through all kinds of occasions. This is a very versatile pack, and you're going to see that in a minute, and of course all the cards that I have created with them. So let's see what is in the pack. Okay, so in the paper pack, and remember each sheet comes 4 times. Here is what we have. Beautiful petals and a very faint grid. And I'm sorry for the shade here. Today is not a sunny day here in California. It is actually raining. It's been raining. I have waited for a good day to do my videos, but believe it or not, it's really rainy over here. So not a lot of sun. So I apologize if there is a little shadow here. But see, these papers are in blues and grays and very neutral. You can use them for all kinds of cards. You'd be surprised what I did with them. A little jeans look here. And there we go. And then for, oh, there's one more. Oh, 2 more. Okay, so, and then for the die cuts, you have also 6x6 pages, and they're full of die cuts, and all you have to do is push them out. And we have travel die cuts, new home, new beginnings, new baby, crafts, wedding, just take care of yourself. The same here with the relax. And then memories, inspiration. So let's see what I have created, because this is such a versatile pack. Let's start with, well, let's start with this one. So this card I made with the sentiment, the best time for new beginnings is now. And isn't that perfect? And all I have done here is I used a card blank that I have created myself. I always add a white panel in there. One of these little petals from the die cut pack I put inside, and then I just arranged all the different elements. So let's take a look which one I have taken here. Let me find it, and here it is. So I didn't always use everything off the sheet. Sometimes I switched around, but this one here pretty much, I used the beautiful linen background. I popped it up with pop dots, and then a couple of these petals, and then of course the wonderful sentiment. Okay, what's next? Now next here is a new baby card. And actually I made 2 just to show you what you can do. So now this one, hello new baby, you are a loved little one. This could be for a baby boy, of course. It's all in blue, and there's this cute teddy bear and a couple of shoes. How cute is that? I added just a little bit of stickles. These sheets come unglittered. But then I made a second one, and here I made it for a little girl, baby girl. And all I did is instead of using one of these cooler colors, like here I have a green card or seafoam green, and I matched it with the blues and the beiges. Here I just used a pink background and added a piece of pink paper from my stash, did a little faux stitching here, and added all these elements. And now we even have a card for a little baby girl. So versatile if you switch out the back paper. But there's more. So how about a card for a handyman? So make a wish, a new day. We got this rusty cabinet here, all the tools, an old lamp. How cute is this for a birthday card or just a hello card for your father, your husband, your son? Also, I have made a card for inspiration. We have these suitcases here. There are a pair of scissors. So now what I have done is I have mixed and matched. So for example, I used this background, this leather background, but then added the suitcases and the scissors and the flower. And here's even a stamp. So this is a wonderful, wonderful kit to just mix and match. But speaking of inspiration, I made another one. Love to be creative. How cute is this? With all the different elements. And it's really, they came together very quickly because all you do is arrange all the different elements. So I had a lot of fun making these. But I like that you can make cards for guys too, not just pinky pinky, you know, for us girls. Then I made a birthday card, and here I have already used a couple of the background papers, the candles, the little macarons, celebrate your big day with cake, and again all the embellishments. There's a garland here, make a wish, all these from those beautiful sheets. And I also made a wedding card, and for the wedding card I used, of course, the embellishments, but I used a green background. Of course, I added a white panel. I used happily ever after starts here. This is one of the sentiments. And then what I did here is I used a green glitter paper, because a wedding, the first wedding at least, is the green wedding, right? So we have, you know, the silver and the golden anniversaries, but the very first one is the green wedding. So I thought we can have a green background here. It says just married. We got these cute little hearts. There is an envelope, like a love message, this cake, and then also the couple. Now this all comes separated, so let me find it for you so you can see what this is look like. So here we go. This is the sheet it comes on, so you can see here is the cake and there is the couple. I have just put the couple on the cake, but you don't have to. There is another cake here. We got hearts, of course, some other sentiments, flowers, and then the champagne glasses. So I thought, great, I'm gonna make a wedding card. But there's more. Okay, how about calm and happy? Now, isn't that a serene situation here with the book and the cup of coffee or tea, flowers, hearts? So much fun to create these cards. And this could be for any occasion, even to just say hello. So here is this, and again, I used a blue background and then added the elements. And then I had a lot of scraps on my craft desk, and here I created this card just with scraps. Just imagine all the places you can go. And of course that could be have a wonderful trip, or somebody who just graduated. Another, I think, cool card, not too feminine. Yeah, you can basically use it for all kinds of occasion. That's why I love this set. It's just for, you know, all these things that happen during the year and you may not have the additional elements for. And then I made a couple of smaller cards. I created these clusters. So once you have all these elements, you have more than you can use. And I just created clusters, kind of added all the die cuts into something that I liked. And then I added the cluster to a card. And for the card, there's just a little bit of background paper. I used my outline stickers. And then there is just a card, homemade. And so is this one, just a small cluster. I punched this background piece here. Love the cocoa with the cinnamon sticks. Relax, of course. The beautiful watercolor striped paper. So just a couple of smaller cards. So for today's video, I made 12 cards, 10 regular size, 2 of these smaller cards right here. And I have half of the pack left. So I have half of the papers left and half of the die cuts. So I only used half of those 2 packs. And look at all these cards that I have available now. If you like my cards, they are up for grabs in value packs on my website. I always make more cards than I can use. So please check them out if you have a use for them. But also I would like to send cards. So if you feel like you needed a little pick-me-up, things are not perfect right now, just send me your address, or if you're a customer, you can just let me know that I have your address and I would love to send you a card. So this would be just a random act of kindness. I like to send out my cards and hopefully brighten your day for just a little bit. But this is all I have for you today. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I hope you're also going to be watching my videos this year. I would really appreciate the support, giving me a thumbs up, leaving me a comment, or sharing this video with your crafty friends and family. So thank you very much for the time you spent with me today. Please stay or get well, and I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.